Today, our lecture of chapter number 11, theorem number 4. What is the statement of theorem number 4? If the angle subtended by two chords of a circle, it means that there are the two chords. Angle subtended means angle banana. Angle banaye of two chords of a circle. And which type of circle? Circles are concurrent. Both circles are concurrent. The two circles are concurrent at the center, and corresponding centers are equal. It means that they are equal circles with centers O and O dash. The chords are equal. Then we have to show that the chords are equal. According to statement, we need the two chords and two central angles. So that's why first of all we make the two circles. And like the circles with center O and O dash, if I will write the name of the circles like A, B, C, D. A, B, C, and D. And the second circle, we assume that its name A dash, B dash, and C dash, and D dash. So according to statement, what is given? First of all, I have to write that given. The first step, there are two circles with center O and O dash. There are two circles A, B, C, D. There are two circles. There are two circles. Two circles with center. There are two circles A, B, C, D. First circle, that is A, B, C, D, and A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. There are two circles A, B, C, D, and A dash, B dash, C dash, B dash. I apply that one with center. Center O and O dash. That is the first point of given. After that, what he said, the two circles are concurrent. There are two circles, two concurrent circles. There are two congruent circles, because we have to write that concurrent. Here we did not write that. There are two concurrent circles A, B, C, D, and A dash, B dash, C dash with center O and O dash. After that, what he said, that the two central angle. So we will make the central angle like this is the central angle. We will make like that. So it's a central angle AOC. And what is the second central angle? This one. A dash, O dash, C dash. So after that, what we will write the second points? That second point is that AOC central angle, AOC congruent to central angle A dash, O dash, and C dash. There are two central angle and the both are congruent, right? And after that, because to prove that, we have to prove that chords are equal. So before to make the chords are equal, so we have to write what is the chord. AC and A dash, C dash are the two chords. So what is the third point? A, C, and A dash, C dash are two chords. Two chords of congruent circles. Of congruent circles. Congruent circle with center O and O dash. Congruent circles with center O and O dash. Right? Otherwise, if you will write that AC and A dash C dash are the two chords of a congruent circle, it is also enough, not wrong. So what we have to prove that, because I told you before comma that is the given portion, and after comma that is the portion we have to prove that. Here after comma it is written that the chords are equal. So what we have to prove that? So we have to prove that to prove. Sorry. To prove is that the chords are equal. So we have to prove that AC congruent to A dash and C dash. That is our proof. So after that, the same way we have to write the statement and reasons. There is no construction, so that's why we directly go to statement and the reasons. So when you are comparing the two triangles, because there are two triangles, one triangle I will here mention with 1 and here triangle mentioned with by 2. So we have to compare the two triangles. The sign of comparing the two triangles is this. So triangle AOC, triangle AOC with triangle A dash, O dash and C dash. To make the two triangles congruent, so how many components must be congruent? Good, that there are 3 components must be congruent, then we will make that one 3 components congruent. And there is one angle, two side also possible, or the two angle, one side is also possible, but all are not angles. Otherwise it's not congruent, it's are similar. So what is that in the both triangle is the congruent? Good, that is first of that OA congruent to O dash C dash. OA congruent to O dash and A dash. What is the reason? Radii of the congruent circles. Radii of the congruent circles. Congruent circles. What mean radii of congruent circles? Good, plural of the radius. Same, this angle AOC and angle A dash, O dash, C dash are congruent or not? Good, they are congruent. What is the reason why they are congruent? Good, because we have already discussed in the given. It is already given that in the statement that the central angles are congruent. So you will write that angle AOC congruent to angle A dash, O dash and C dash. Be careful about that. Some of the students are confused when they are showing the triangle sign, they are writing angle, and when they are writing the angle, here they will apply the triangle sign. So triangle having 3 closed sides, but angle have only 2 sides combined. So what is the reason of that one? Given. 2 components we have already made equal. So after that we need the third component. So what is the third component in these 2 triangles which are congruent? Good, that this one OC congruent to O dash C dash. OC congruent to O dash and C dash. Reason? Same. Good. What is that? Radii of the congruent circles. Radii of congruent circles. Congruent circles. 1, 2, 3. 3 components are equal. When the 3 components are equal, after that, what we will do that? Good. Then remove this sign and use the sign of concurrency. So triangle AOC congruent. Triangle A dash, O dash and C dash. Reason is that this is side, this one angle and this one side. So side, angle, side postulate, that is the reason of this. Side, angle, side postulate. Side, angle, side postulate. After that, when the 3 components are congruent, then all the sides of the triangles congruent, corresponding sides are also congruent. So AC, this side congruent to this side. By double dash I show that. Why? The corresponding sides of congruent triangle. So you will write that AC congruent to A dash C dash. What is the reason? Good. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. After that, this theorem is complete. Now you are ready to get the 8 marks. This portion is also the portion of to prove. Like this, I will make the separate. So you will write this theorem, and inshallah, tomorrow of this theorem there is a test. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care and Allah Hafiz.